Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheldon and I'm coming to you from Kingston, Jamaica. The name of my channel is Sheldon's Gardening Tips. On this channel, I'll be giving tips on how I care for my lawn, my flowers and my vegetable gardens. Now by way of lawn, I have three types of grass. I have Zoysia, Bermuda and St. Augustine. By way of flowers, I have from shrubs such as bougainvillea, ixoras, Texas stage, Toronto gold, clusias, cherry laurel, to perennials such as begonias, impatiens, marigold, among a large variety. Vegetables. So in the past, I've planted vegetables such as callaloo, pak choy, lettuce, kale, tomatoes, hot and sweet peppers, cucumbers, among other vegetables. At the moment, my vegetable farm is currently out of use because I am currently doing some construction and the area that was previously used for the vegetable farm is now being used to store construction material. But within the next few weeks, my garden will be up again. I will be transitioning to vertical farming, whereby I will be making racks and storing my plants in pots. So by doing vertical farming, I'll be able to plant a larger variety and a larger amount of products within a smaller space. Now in terms of lawn care, I will be giving tips on how I mow my lawn, how I fertilize my lawn, how I irrigate my lawn, as well as how I carry out other cultivating practices such as scarifying, verticutting, and detaching. In terms of my flowers, I will be giving tips on how I propagate, how I plant, how I fertilize, how I mulch, how I prune, and over time you will get to see the process from planting all the way to flowering. And the same for the vegetables. You will see how I maybe sow the seeds or how I plant the seedlings to how I care for the vegetable plants up until the time of harvest. So I hope to give a video or two each week. So I hope that over time you and I will become families and I will be able to give you all the tips that you need to be a successful DIYer. So this channel is a total DIYer channel for those homeowners seeking to do their own lawn and garden care. So I'll be giving tips on how I do my personal lawn and garden care. This is my St. Augustine lawn. I'll give you a clear video of what it looks like. Now, St. Augustine is a warm season grass. That means it grows best in warmer climates. A beautiful grass. So over time I'll be giving you tips on how I actually care for the lawn from startup. So this is a portion of which I am expanding. So it's a bit of new grass recently planted. So that's my St. Augustine. So this now is a part of my Bermuda grass. So Bermuda is also a warm season grass. That means it grows best in warmer climates, and Jamaica being in the tropics, we are able to grow Bermuda grass all year round, which is excellent. So another piece of Bermuda grass that was renovated 14 days ago. It was cut all the way down to dirt and top dressed. That process will be coming in a future video. There's a small piece of my zoysia lawn. Currently need to be manicured. My zoysia lawn, well, this is a portion of the zoysia lawn. I have zoysia outside of my gate as well. So this is another section of zoysia inside my yard space. So zoysia as well is a warm season grass. That means it grows best in warmer climates like Jamaica, and that means I'm able to plant it all year round. So those bare patches you're seeing, I recently had an infestation of weeds. So where those weeds were removed from, that's where you will see those bare spots. So that's all zoysia grass. I have from flowers such as Doranto Gold. These are planted around my trees. So this is a avocado tree, and around it I have some beautiful Doranto Gold. There is also more Doranto Gold. This is planted around my raspberry tree. And I have 3 mango trees. Around this mango tree is also planted some beautiful Doranto Gold. This is another avocado tree around which is planted some very nice Doranto Gold. Beautiful. Then toward my back fence I have some clusia plants. So these I intend to grow to the height of the fence, which is about 7 foot. So the intention is to have a totally green wall at the back. So these clusia plants are expected over the next few years to be as high as my back fence. So as I said, the fence is about 7 feet high, and that's the height at which I intend to grow these clusias. So this as well is another planter box that I have, and there is some beautiful Doranto Gold. So I currently don't remember all the names, but just stay tuned. Over time all the names of my plants will be revealed. Now this is my side fence. So I have an Ixura together with some Doranto Gold, and along the fence line you can see that there is some creeping fig. Some people call it creeping ivy. Those will cover the wall within the next year or so, and the wall will be completely green. These clusia plants, I intend to grow them at about 4 feet tall, with the creeping fig as the backdrop, which I know will give a beautiful appearance. Then there is some Texas stage. That's the name I know these plants by. So if anybody knows it by another name, you can type the name that you know it by in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. Now this flower, I know it as desert rose. These, I don't remember the name at this point in time, but those will be revealed at a later date. Now there's one more desert rose. For this, I don't remember the name at this time, but over time it will be revealed. Now these are called impatiens, and this I think is two different varieties of impatiens. This flower, I don't remember the name. More Doranto gold. More plants for which I don't remember the names. Doranto gold. Now this is a bougainvillea, of which I have quite a number of it around the house. More Doranto gold. That's a marigold plant. More Doranto gold. This is another bougainvillea plant, going quite nicely. Now this plant, I also don't remember the name, but don't worry, these names will be revealed. More Doranto gold. Then one beautiful bougainvillea plant. Now there are some ixuras which are used as edges. More bougainvilleas. Ixuras in the distance. This plant is called a snake plant. That's what we call it here in Jamaica. So thanks for watching this video. If you like my content, I ask that you subscribe to my channel. Give your comments in the comment section. Give the video a thumbs up, like the video, and share the video. And I look forward to seeing you in future videos.